Good morning, students. നമ്മൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ദിവസം നമ്മുടെ സിലബസിനെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ കണ്ടു. Today we can discuss about our first unit. I think that you have gone through our syllabus and you got an idea about the different units of social science. Now we can deal with the first unit. The first unit deals with the nature, scope of social science, meaning of social science, and the difference between social science and social studies, and what is the relationship between social science with other subjects. So, after the end of this unit, or after studying this unit, you will be able to state the meaning of the term social studies. Then describe the present status of social studies in secondary schools. Then describe the significance of learning social studies. Explain the general aims of teaching social studies. The school is considered as an institution. The main aim of school is to impart knowledge. But from the school, we are not getting knowledge only. We are getting different experiences. So, education is a lifelong process. It never ends. Man is the center of all educational activities, processes, programs or products. Although one can say that language learning, the arts, mathematics and the natural sciences deal with human experiences in the form of ideas, skills and products. But it is the special function of social science to have the people as the subject matter. As social scientists, we are mainly dealing with society and the human beings. So the living things, we are mainly dealing with the living things. Consider for a moment yourself as an object of study. In order to arrive at a meaningful understanding of you, you would have to investigate your past. That you want to know about your past. That means you have an understanding about history. And you want to know the environment in which you live. That means the geography. Your needs and desires. You have different needs and you have different desires that express psychology and how you will place yourself in the society in which you live. That means sociology. How you are supported financially. Economics. The influence you exert on others. That means political science. How your culture has influenced you. Anthropology. So, social science is a wide branch of subject. It deals with different subject matters or it is a combination of different subjects like history, geography, economics, political science, sociology, anthropology, psychology and so on. Thus, social studies reveals to the learner who he or she is in the context of time, space and society. So the role of human beings that clearly explained in social science. Hence, definitions and the nature of social studies range from a study of human beings favoring a separate subject approach to an integrated one in which the subject matter is indistinguishable as history, geography, civics, and so on. So, in social science, we are dealing with human beings, his interaction with his society, and his surroundings, everything. As social scientists, we are concerned about human beings, their desires, their attitude, their behavior with others. Everything come under the purview of social science. When we are dealing with social science in the smaller classes, we consider or it comes under the branch of social studies. But in the higher classes, we are dealing with the abstract things. So, it comes under the purview of social studies. That means social science. That means it is an adult approach. It is a different approach. So, social science is a subject which has a vast scope. And the meaning of social science, that we can interpret it in different ways. That social science is the only subject which deals with human beings, their interactions, their relations, their dealings with other people, everything that comes under the branch of social science. It is a vast subject area. So, in the next class, from all these aspects, you can say the relationship of social science with other subject matters. So, take some examples, one or two examples, subjects, that is language or mathematics or any other science subject, and to find out the relationship between social science and that subject matter. Okay, thank you.